Have you ever wondered how space stations work? The International Space Station, or ISS, is one of the most remarkable engineering feats of our time. In this video, we'll take a closer look at how it operates and how astronauts live and work in space. The ISS is an artificial structure that orbits the Earth at an altitude of approximately 408 kilometers, or 253 miles. It's made up of multiple modules that were launched into space separately and then assembled in orbit. Over the course of several missions, astronauts used robotic arms to attach each module together, creating a complex structure that spans over 100 meters in length. The ISS is equipped with solar panels that provide power to the station's systems and scientific experiments. The panels convert sunlight into electricity, which is then used to power everything from the lights and computers to the life support systems that keep the astronauts alive. To stay in orbit, the ISS must maintain a speed of about 28,000 kilometers per hour, or 17,500 miles per hour. This speed ensures that the ISS remains in a state of freefall, where the force of gravity is balanced by the centrifugal force caused by the station's forward motion. Inside the ISS, astronauts live and work in a microgravity environment, which means that they experience weightlessness. This can be disorienting at first, but astronauts quickly adapt to their new surroundings. They sleep in small compartments, eat in a galley, and exercise in a gym to stay healthy. The ISS has a complex life support system that recycles air, water, and other resources to sustain the crew's needs. This includes a water reclamation system that purifies wastewater and urine, and an air filtration system that removes carbon dioxide and other contaminants. The ISS is also a platform for scientific research, with a wide range of experiments being conducted on board. These experiments help us learn more about the effects of microgravity on the human body and on materials, and they also provide valuable data for future space missions. Narrator: despite its impressive capabilities, the ISS isn't entirely self-sufficient. It needs to be resupplied regularly with food, water, and other essentials, which are delivered by cargo spacecraft like the SpaceX Dragon and the Russian Progress. Maintaining the ISS is a complex task that requires regular maintenance and repairs. Astronauts conduct spacewalks to inspect and repair the exterior of the station, and they also perform regular checks and repairs on the station's systems and equipment. Eventually, the ISS will reach the end of its operational life and will need to be decommissioned. When that time comes, it will be deliberately deorbited and allowed to burn up in the Earth's atmosphere, ensuring that no debris falls to the ground. And that's a brief overview of how space stations like the International Space Station work. It's an amazing achievement of human engineering and ingenuity, and it's allowed us to learn more about the universe around us and the effects of living in space. As we continue to explore and push the boundaries of what's possible in space, the lessons we learn from the ISS and other space stations will be invaluable in paving the way for future missions and discoveries. Thank you for watching, and until next time, keep looking up.